Welcome to Hadley Wood Station. I don't have a mental amount of time here, but this is Hadley Wood Station. Ooh, 91. Used to be able to go on these middle two platforms here to do spotting. However, you cannot anymore because someone took it as an opportunity to commit suicide. Which isn't great, is it? But yeah. Plenty of benches, plenty of bins. And a shelter there. If you weren't already sheltered enough under this shelter. But yeah, we'll have a little look up here. See what the door to the fast platforms looks like. It's probably just some bolted shut door that is never unlocked anymore, which is quite sad really, but it's just how these things are. Oh, you can go down there. Oh no, you can't. So that's a shame really. Yeah. Here's the station main entrance. The ticket hall here. The ticket office, which is closed. Door open. No.
The train now approaching platform 3 does not stop here.
You've got the Oyster tap pads here. You can use Oyster here. This is also a ticket machine. It does accept cash. Funnily enough. Yeah. See, the tunnel port was over there. And that's about it for the outside of the station. Got 4 extra minutes here. My train is late. Yeah. Should bring us down here just in time for that fast train going through. There it is. There's toilets here, which are closed. Platform 4, a weird sign. Yeah, I do like how there's tunnels either side of this station. It makes it really nice. Definitely one of my favourites on the East Coast Main Line, the south section. There is here, there is a very big train line. One day I will have visited all of the stations on it, if I haven't died in the next 6 months. Only joking. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. I'm going to eat some chocolate now. Class 387, guys. Nice.
This train is full of 6 coaches.
Well, I thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe for more videos just like this one for you to watch. This was Hadley Wood.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This station is Hadley Wood.
Thank you for watching. Cheers, guys.